Hello friends, in continuation to petty cash management, I would like to showcase another example, another use case which is very useful to accountant because whenever employee is registering any expenses, it will create a vendor bill. So that is, the employee will become a vendor where there is no, GST number or anything is associated, and it is very tough for us to maintain the GST as well as headache of unnecessary vendor bills. So to get out of this situation, we can use another option, which is paid by company. How it works? So let me show you very quickly. If I am giving any advance to any employee, okay, I will just create an entry like 450 rupees I am giving. Okay, so that entry will be created, and in terms of our ledger, I can see this entry over here 450 rupees handed over. Okay, and counterpart entry will be lying here in cash suspense account. It is nothing but a similar kind of bank suspense account. So when reconcile is done, we can manage it. And now the employee will register travel, let's say worth rupees 400, and here I will simply say paid by company. So I will create a report and submit to company and approve, and I will say post general entries. It will be considered as paid. So over here, if I can see the ledger again, I can see everything is working in right way, and here I can see an amount is here under the same travel bill 400 rupees, and then it will register a purchase expense 380 plus GST that is going into this travel bill, right? Now I am going into my accounting and simply would like to reconcile this against the travel bill, and rest of the money I will call back in my account. Okay, I will say cash refund, it will return to my account, and I will reconcile. So the transaction is done now, and if I go back to my ledger, it will simply be reconciled over here. 50 rupees will be returned, and then the same way 400 registers here, and everything settled down. And over here, I will not find any bill from that employee. Rather, I will simply register my payment towards this entry. That's it, and it will connect with my expense report. So I will have no headache to manage unnecessary vendor bills over here, and accountant will be happy because they have no much vendor to associated when they are registering payment by company and manage payment with this way. Hope this will help. Thank you.